Working on putting some veggies together today for lunch. Typically what I do is I'll buy a container of baby spinach, which is pretty low in calories overall. Then you've got your chopped salad of some sort. Like, so there's a whole bunch of different styles. Taylor Farms makes it, and there's a bunch of other companies. Basically, it's got a little mixture of things, poppy seeds and poppy seed dressing, cranberries, Brussels sprouts. Now these can be a little higher in calories. You can see here, we got 200 calories for 3.5 servings. So we're looking at like upwards of like 700 calories. If you had this whole bag, right? Now, one of the things you can do is just combine something like this with something like this. So you kind of cut the calories down a little bit. You could use some or all of the, like that little packaging on the inside. You can choose to use this dressing, which is where a lot of the calories are, or you can get your own dressing. Sometimes I'll get like a fat-free balsamic vinaigrette or much lower calories. This is 15 calories per serving in here. There's other kind of like lower calorie or lower fat dressings as well. Now, what I'll do is I'll typically mix things in here, shake it up a little bit, or I put it in for my day. I usually kind of throw it into a container like this. Maybe throw some carrots, maybe a little tomato, shake the thing up pretty good, and then I'll split it into 2 meals. So if you like to eat all of it at once, you can. I like to split things up into multiple meals just because when I get hungry, I make bad decisions. So this would be a great addition, maybe midday or even for dinner, to get your veggies in, and also kind of pair it with some protein as well. Over here, I've got some hamburger patties that we cooked up using 96.4 lean ground beef.